Ed, amazing. The course is completely brilliant. I want to do you a testimonial now. My only concern is that if I went on all the benefits and all the upside, it would take too long for anyone to listen to. So I'm going to keep it nice and short. It's brilliant. I had high expectations and it surpassed the expectations. Firstly, the whole setting up process was great. The people around you are fabulous. So although obviously you have to keep your own time fairly scarce because you've got a lot to do, I don't feel in any way diluted because the people around you are brilliant. I feel fully supported. The way you simplify everything and yet it's detailed is extraordinary. It builds me with confidence. I love the fact that you really enforce the principle that we must follow your program. There's no point in trying to follow our program or your program mixed with our program and think it's going to work. So you really enforce some brilliant values. Makes so much sense. I'm only on day 3 and I feel like I've gone full immersion. So pretty much cut myself off from the world while I do this. All my friends know that I'm not going to be in touch for 29 days. The whole transition process was great. The way in which you built me up to ensure that I got everything really disciplined and straight before I started. So I was fully ready to go. Yeah, it's a brilliant program. I recommend it massively. And I think it's, I'm confident it's worth 5, 10, 20, 100 times the money actually, because the principles are brilliantly taught. Thanks so much. Take care.